Satyadar Joshi's video library and online education ecosystem are dedicated to empowering professionals through the generative AI revolution. His YouTube channel serves as a vital, free access hub, driven by an urgent motivational mission to prepare the workforce for agentic AI. Here, he distills his own academic research, such as papers on prompt engineering and finance, and AI competitiveness in education, into concise, actionable video summaries. This content acts as a strategic empowerment tool, translating complex research into clear guidance on job transformation and reskilling. To build on this awareness, Joshi directly channels viewers into structured, in-depth learning through his companion Udemy courses, including Python for Agentic Gen AI for older people and non-coders, and Gen AI for financial risk management. His videos effectively function as both a preview and a pathway, with playlists like Gen AI for Business and Python creating a seamless educational journey from introductory concepts on YouTube to professional skill certification on Udemy. The overarching impact of this integrated approach is a comprehensive support system that moves viewers from initial motivation and awareness, fostered by his accessible video summaries, to deep, practical upskilling, enabling them to confidently transition from understanding AI disruption to mastering the tools needed to lead within it.